If your car is idling so rough it feels like it might stall out at every red light, or if you hear a strange metallic pinging sound called detonation when you are accelerating, your engine might be struggling with a code P046C. This code points directly to a range or performance issue with the exhaust gas recirculation sensor A circuit. The whole job of this system is to take a bit of spent exhaust gas and sniff it back into the intake to keep your cylinder head temperatures below 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. If it gets hotter than that, you start producing nasty nitrogen oxides that cause smog, and your engine starts to knock. The engine control module is very picky about this, and if it sees a signal voltage that is even slightly out of the expected range, it will trip the light. Now here's a pro tip that can save you a lot of headache, especially if you drive a Ford. Check the two small hoses going to the differential pressure feedback sensor. These things are notorious for getting clogged with hard carbon deposits from the exhaust. You can often just take a small screwdriver and carefully clean out that carbon to get the sensor working again without buying a single part. You also want to look for what we call coking, which is just a fancy word for black carbon buildup inside the exhaust gas recirculation valve itself. If that buildup is thick enough, it can jam the pintle open or closed, leading to that terrible idle or a total lack of power. Be extremely careful when testing the wiring on these systems. If you probe the wrong wire with a test light and accidentally send 12 volts into the computer's 5-volt reference circuit, you could literally fry the entire engine control module, turning a simple sensor job into a multi-thousand-dollar nightmare. Always start by cleaning the connectors and checking for simple vacuum leaks before you start deep electrical testing. Keeping this system clean is the best way to ensure your car runs smooth and passes its next emissions test without a hitch.